There is no shelter of any kind. Very few animals can survive here. But this is one which does. An Arctic fox. It has the warmest fur of any mammal, and it can survive blizzards that may rage for days on end. It must nonetheless eventually eat something. But how is that something to be found when you're all by yourself in this desolation? Arctic foxes are wanderers, and they can travel over 2,000 miles from Norway to Canada in a constant search for food. There might be something here. A patch of grass, kept clear of the snow by the near-constant wind. The slightest hint of scent might indicate the presence of prey. Less than a metre below the surface may lie a hidden network of tunnels, shown here using a special filming burrow. Tiny Arctic lemmings, with a carpet of edible moss beneath and a thick blanket of snow above. The lemmings spend their entire winter hidden below the surface. And here they breed. For a hungry fox, a group of lemmings could be a life-saving discovery, if it can catch one. Lemming burrows may extend for up to 15 metres. An acute sense of hearing is essential. And the Arctic fox has a special trick. It doesn't always work first time. And it does require dedication. And at last, one plump lemming. The fox's tenacity and unique hunting skills enable them to find prey which few others could catch.